guys, my name is Shanek and welcome to an unboxing video. This is the Coach Lana bag. Some people might call it the latest it bag. It's been out for a while, super popular. I have sat on this bag, the purchase of this bag, for probably almost a year because I went back and forth with, I don't need it, but I want it. Do I like it? Do I not? The whole reason that I bought it is because I am in need of a true everyday bag. I thought I found my everyday bag, wore it every day for 4 months and realized it's not my everyday bag. So I purchased this not from Coach, but from Amazon. It took me a while to actually take the leap. It was on the higher end. If you don't already know, the cost is $4.95. So here's what the bag comes packaged in. And again, I purchased it from Amazon. Oh my goodness. So I've watched so many videos on this bag. I hope you guys can see me. I've watched a lot of videos on this bag, and the reason that I purchased it again is I need an everyday bag. I didn't want something that was super big because I don't want it to feel like the tote that I carry to work that has my computer and my journal and notes for work. But honestly, I am not a minimalist. I cannot carry small bags. My current everyday bag that I take with me is this one, which I love. It's the Givenchy Antigona in a size small. And it's funny because people were complaining that it's not small enough. And in my mind, I'm like, it's not big enough for what I need every day. So that's what made me jump on this purchase. So let's see. I hope I love it as much as I've loved it in every other YouTube video that I've watched. Okay. So I did purchase it in the color, brass black. Packaging. Let's cut some of this stuff off. Okay, wow, hold on, let me take this in. Okay, so just for reference, I'm 5'9", and I just imagine this looking a lot bigger than it does. But now that I'm cutting everything off, thankfully this is an Amazon purchase, so it's not like when you buy things and they're like, you know, Fashion File, even once you purchased it and you cut certain things off, they're like, you can't return it after that. Okay, I'm gonna have to speed this part up so you all don't have to watch me cut all of the paper off of it. So my thoughts first are, wow, I think I really like the size. Like, I was worried that it would feel too big, but I think I was looking at it, at least in the videos, on girls maybe who were more petite, and so it kind of swallowed them up. But again, for reference, I'm 5'9", size 12, mostly. And there's a whole lot of stuffing. A whole lot of stuffing. They wanted to make sure this bag did not shape shift at all while it sat in some warehouse, waiting on me to do a somewhat impulse buy. I heard some people talk about it has a smell, which I don't smell that smell, so that's good. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I just couldn't wait. I had to open this. It literally just got here 2 hours ago, but I was running errands. Oh, you guys, love, 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 love. I love the quality of Coach bags. I mean, I get why they cost what they cost. This is probably the most I've ever paid for a Coach bag, but I knew I wanted something durable, and honestly, I'm rough on my everyday bags. Even though that's a Givenchy, when I tell you I sling it around, throw it around on, but it is what it is. Check out the pockets on the inside. Of course, you know it has 4 feet. Of course, you know, it has the little Coach tag. I think some people will get their initials printed. The thing I was most curious about is how people are accessorizing it and adding their charm. I'm gonna have to get creative with that, but I love the interior. And what do you know? It comes with a dust bag. And this one, like I said, I bought on Amazon, guys, not on the Coach website. And so there's your dust bag. So I'll do a better what's in my bag 6 months from now when you come back. But off the bat, let's see what fits. But before we do that, let's do a few mod shots. So here it is on the elbow as an elbow carry, which I carry way too much stuff to do an elbow carry. And from the front. This is definitely everything that I thought it would be. I'll be curious to see if it falls off, but like I said, this is just an unboxing, and I'm wanting to see how much I can cram in this bag because I am by no means a minimalist. But it is so cute. I think I am obsessed already. So my first thoughts after unboxing it is I love the structure and the sturdiness. I love how large the compartments are, and I love the feet that are at the bottom. My other first impression is I can feel the weight behind it, as it should be. It is pebbled leather, which you may already know, and I don't know if the camera is picking up on that, but that definitely makes a difference. I am a big bag girly, and the fact that it's gonna be on my shoulder, I don't foresee being a problem. I plan to carry my my essentials straight out of my bag. I plan to carry those. Everything in here is transferring into here. But I also plan to add some extra things that I haven't been able to take with me day to day in my purse, such as my iPad, my journal courtesy of Five Below. Okay guys, well, I don't want to give you too much. There's so much more to say about this bag, but I'm going to stuff it with all of my essentials. I'm going to wear it for a few months, and then we'll come back and I'll give you an updated video of the pros, the cons, the good, the bad. Hopefully I'll still have it in 6 months, but also maybe we'll do a what's in my bag 6 months from now. But yeah, this is the Coach Lana bag purchased off of Amazon. Already obsessed. I will be taking this with me to work tomorrow. Thanks for watching.